Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today I will talk about hadith, that is al-ilmu bita'allum. Ilm सीखने से हासिल होता है. That means knowledge is achieved by learning. If we want to learn knowledge, if we want to become scholars, scientists, doctors, so we have to achieve knowledge. Knowledge does not come on its own. First, we have to work hard. We have to give sacrifice. We have to sacrifice sleeping, playing, other activities for learning. Like we will not sleep, we will learn at that time. We will not play, we will learn at that. We will not watch movies, we will not visit, we will learn at that. That is sacrifice. So if we will give sacrifice, we'll achieve knowledge in our minds, then we can become some valued persons. Like there is Dr. Zakir Naik, there is Mufti Nazir Ahmad Qasmi. These give much sacrifice. For example, there was a scholar, that is poet. You have heard the name of that. That is Rabindranath Tagore, who has wrote the national anthem of this nation, India. He has given so much sacrifice, you can't think. He would tie some rope on his hair and tie that rope on any other thing. Then he would read. When he felt sleepy, then he fell down. But the rope would pan. With the rope, his hair would pan, and he again rise and read. So this was sacrifice. Not only this, people I gave many big sacrifices so that they are nowadays valued. All people call Mufti Taqi Usmani to their countries, like American people send private airplanes to Pakistan to bring Mufti Taqi Usmani to America. China say this Mufti Taqi Usmani will come to his country. America says no, our other countries say he will come to our country. So it is the value. But this value, he has not achieved this value by playing, by riding cycles, by watching movies, by doing visit. He has achieved this by knowledge. So Prophet Muhammad has said, "Al-ilmu bita'allum." So we should also try to gain knowledge. We should also sacrifice texts.
ओके, चलो दूसरी जगह पे।